How do I add my 1099 on Turbotax DoorDash? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are a DoorDash driver and received a 1099 NEC or 1099K, then in this video I will guide you on how you can add that on Turbotax. The first thing you want to do is log into your Turbotax account, whether in the website or in the software. Now, you want to gather your 1099 forms, whether it is 1099 NEC or 1099K. Now, select Income and Expenses. Then select Self-Employment Income and Expenses. TurboTax will ask you if you receive 1099 NEC or 1099K. Select it accordingly and enter the details such as payer's name, EIN, and income amount. Now, you can deduct expenses related to DoorDash driving. TurboTax will guide you through these categories. Now, TurboTax will calculate your self-employment tax. You may qualify for deductions like qualified business income deduction. Then you want to review. After reviewing, you want to file your return electronically or by mail. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.